If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on Airbnb, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Visit the Airbnb login page. Go to the Airbnb website or open the app and navigate to the login page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. If you are unable to log in due to two-factor authentication issues, click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the process to recover your account. Step 3. Check your email. Airbnb will send a password reset link to your registered email address. Open your email inbox, find the email from Airbnb, and click on the link provided. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before for added security. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. Once you have successfully logged in with your new password, navigate to your account settings. Find the two-factor authentication section and set it up again, following the prompts to link your phone number or authentication app. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset and you can continue using your Airbnb account securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Airbnb support for further assistance.